Hey everyone, this is Eric with Auto Replay back again, and I actually seen that my local pick and pull yard has a, I think it's like a 98 and 99 Mercedes SLK. I think it's a 230, it's a supercharged version, but it probably has a lot of the parts that I was looking for, and they're so much cheaper to get them locally, you know, than have to drive somewhere or have them shipped from eBay. So I'm going to look and see if I can get the bumper cover, the brake pressure switch, the driver's side, like little turn signal, and probably some interior pieces that, you know, like the little cubby hole that's underneath the radio. See, they have that. And just take a look at what else I may be able to pick up while I'm there, and you know, maybe sell on eBay to pay for this whole trip of going down here. So if they have a good vacuum pump, you know, then that's like 150 bucks. I could probably get it for like 30 bucks, and then I'm coming up $120 real quick. So, you know, I got to test it out with mine and my car, but you know, that's something that would make sense, you know what I mean, to go and you know, I'm probably gonna spend like an hour and a half out here, then go from there. So just want to give y'all a heads up back again, man. You know, wife got me working 2 jobs, but you know, this is kind of like my little hobby thing to do on the side. And you know, if I take a couple hours myself, you know, and I hate like not finishing the project, so I want to get back to it and do some video footage out there at the local yard. All right, bye. Got my tools in the wheelbarrow. I'm gonna head out there. Well, I was only able to get an actual turn signal for it. The guys, I literally went in there and there was guys taking the bumper cover off. So I was like, oh man. But it's for the wrong year, so it don't really matter, but I'll show you what I got. This little turn signal. Mine's got a crack in it. I think it goes like this, so that'll be good. Go ahead and put that on there. So not a very eventful pick and pull parts run, but that's all right. At least got something to do, you know, that I do need for the car. Okay, go ahead, man. And there's people driving, so I'm trying to make sure I ain't running them over. But yeah, man, we're gonna just keep on going with it, see how it goes, and yeah, we're gonna put this car back together. I ain't gonna just give up on it, you know what I'm saying? But I do want to take my time with it and just get it right, you know, and go from there. So I'll catch y'all back on another one, all right? Peace. So back at the house, I'm going to go ahead and replace this one. It's got a crack right there. You see that? So should be like a little tab back here. And take that out. You see all the way in there. It's kind of dark, but there's a tab on this one right here. I think that just move that over, comes out. Oh, I guess it moves over like right there. Yeah, it sits like this. Okay. So basically the old one slid out and this new one will slide back in like that. And clips. And you just put the bulb and slide that back in, which would be hard to show right now, but that's basically it.